Hello everybody, this is Suguwa and I'm a amateur indie VTuber. So today I'm going to teach you and even guide you how to fix your Windows network problem. So it doesn't matter what devices you have used. Maybe you have already uninstalled drivers. You try to troubleshoot the network and nothing so far. So no worries, I'm going to show you how. So for this one, you need to go find any search bar you can find so far. It doesn't matter, including like this one. When I hold Windows button and R, okay, and it should have already opened here. They run from here. If let's say I want to open command prompt, I need to type here CMD, and then I need to press and hold CTRL Control and Shift and press enter together, and then it says user account control. It says you want to open this, just click yes, and it launches as in administrator mode. Okay, and second method is just find any search bar. Okay, if you are using Windows 11, as long there is search bar here, or if you're using Windows 10, there is also search bar here, or if you're using custom one, like I'm using the OpenShell here, I just need to click the Windows button, search here, and find CMD. But in this case, because I have CMD here, so I can just launch here by right-clicking here and just click Run as Administrator, and the result will be similar like this. So this is our first step. We've already launched it on Administrator mode. So what we need to do is we need to do the first thing, which is we need to type netsh winsock reset. Press enter, and it says successfully reset the winsock catalog, and then restart if you want to complete the reset. But in this case, because we have the second one, so until the fifth one, not going to be that long, so we don't restart. So what it essentially do is just like what it says. It resets everything it knows about connection and what's on, and re-establish back the connection between your computer, your devices, whatever it is, to your network. So that's what this first command do. And the second one, we just type netsh int, stands for interface, not integer, of course, ipconfig. Sorry, reset. Almost wrong there. How many times I need to record this? Re-record this video. Yeah. So everything is complete. Here. So the second one is complete, and as long as everything it says resetting is okay, maybe even if one is failed, it's fine. As long as everything it says okay and it says restart the computer, that's it. You've already done it. So for the second command, what this netsh int IP reset does is just like the name itself, it resets everything it knows about the IP address and basically rewrite it to the new one. Okay, and now the second things we need to do is here we just need to type the third is we need to type ipconfig/release. Okay, so now everything is done here. So what we need to do, so what this third command actually does is that it just tells your DHCP server, in this case, what does it actually stands for. It actually stands more like this router stuff, yeah, whatever you use right now to connect to the internet. For example, you're using your Wi-Fi, you have your own router at home, right? So that's what you're using right now, is what you're telling the router. You tell the router, hey, I'm not going to use that IP anymore, so that's it, I don't care. So so because we've already released, we no longer use that specific IP anymore, so what we need to do is we need to type ipconfig/renew. So what this fourth command actually does is you tell the IP your on router, you just tell it, hey, I want give me the new IP for me to use it, so I can connect to the internet. So that's it. That's what you're doing. You are telling to your own home router, or in this case, if you are also using from your office, you're also telling from your office, yeah, from your office router, hey, I want a new IP, so give me a new one. And the last one is the fifth and the last one is you just need to type ipconfig /flushdns. So what this last command actually does it, you tell your own computer, hey, this can you please reset everything you have already stored regarding where where certain things goes to the internet. You just reset everything, so everything will be, so I can use the new one. For example, because you don't know what DNS actually stands for. DNS actually stands for a domain name server, which basically it translates everything. Let's say, for example, google.com into this specific IP server naming. For example, you see like this one, the IPv4 address. It says whatever number is it. So that's literally how it corresponds. You tell your computer you don't want to use that anymore, so you can reset it and everything should be good done. And it says successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And then what you can do is you can go and reset it here. Okay, so that's it. Just reset, or in this case, if I want to restart my computer, I can also use this alt 4, press and hold alt 4, and just go here, just click and then slide down and click restart and just press OK. So that's it. Very simple. I'm going to restart my computer anyways because I'm using this tutorial. So yeah. So that's it. Maybe this video is a little bit slightly longer, but giving you some slightly technical stuff will help and maybe ease your problem and maybe even your doubt regarding how specific things works. Okay, so yeah, so that's it. I hope it helps you guys. Oh yeah, and forgot to say, IP actually stands for Internet Protocol, just in case. So that's it. And hopefully it helps you guys. This video is almost long, but that's it. Wherever you are, take care and hope you don't mind this lengthy video. So that's it. Bye bye.